guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do some cherry blossoms. So I have you had me at hello. Clearly I can speak today. So the reason I'm going with this is it has such a slight gold shimmer to it. Obviously you can use gel polish or whatever. I have fully built up nails, but I'm still gonna use this guy. All right, just grabbing a little bit on my brush. I'm gonna do 2 thin layers because again, I'm not trying to build this up. Let me bring down the brightness just a smidge so you guys can see. So the good thing about this type of gel with this tiny shimmer, so I've said this before when doing the gel polishes with this tiny shimmer, is that it looks rough until you give it a second and it really evens out nicely. Okay, just checking from different angles. So now technically my nail is facing me. So I do my videos in how I look at it. So the fact that this is facing me now is exactly how I see it. Okay, on to the next ones. I'm gonna buff this to even it out, and then I'm gonna do 1 more layer. All right, so I was looking up cherry blossoms and such a pretty flower. So I grabbed these 2 pinks. So this is Perfect Pink from GLAM, and this is Vintage Girl because I feel like I want some obviously super bright And I'll probably grab Perfect White as well, depending on what I end up going for. So making a mess, but I'm taking some of that color and then putting it off to the side. I'm gonna take Madame Glam's High Roller because I need a brown, and this is a nice dark brown. I'm gonna take Playdate because I think I want a glitter nail. To be honest, I'm kind of feeling this the way it is. Maybe I'll add some crystal. Taking Madame Glam's glossy top coat and going over the nail. Yeah, that is super pretty. Here is the finished look. We have this one glossy and those two matte. I thought I would switch it up some and do kind of some glossy, some matte, because this glitter looks bomb glossy. I could have done it matte, but also the little shimmer in there, but I also kind of wanted these matte, so I mix it up just a little bit, and I think doing the different colors and the cherry blossoms really added something. I loved the marbling on this one, and I wish I probably would have done it more on the other ones because I love it so much. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.